Hello there. Thanks for taking the time to tune in this video. And if you tuned in this video, you're looking for a better fly rod. Now, if you're just starting out with fly fishing, I have personally used the Cortland Fairplay setup, and that is a great starter rod. It's got solid line on there, a decent reel, and a nice rod. Fished it myself, it casts pretty well, and that's a great starting point, right? Try not to get caught up in all the stuff that you find online. There's a lot of garbage online, and one of the worst things you can do if you're just starting out with fly fishing is buying a crappy setup with crappy line. You will not have the experience that you're looking for if you're really trying to save a ton of money. Now, the great thing is about Cortland Fairplay, they're under $100 for a full setup. So this gives you an opportunity to see if you want to continue with fly fishing. Now, when you're ready to level up, that's where I come in. So just over 2 years ago, I started my own fly rod company, and my goal was to bring premium gear down to more of an affordable price point. My business partner and I, my business partner being the rod builder, he's been doing this now for over 30 years. So with my 40 years of fly fishing and his 30 years of fly rod building, you've got about collectively 70 years of experience that went into designing this fly rod. We designed this fly rod to be easier to cast. I put in a lot of work to find a blank that was a moderately fast action blank that had a really solid transfer of energy from fly rod to fly line, and it didn't have any recoil. And what I mean by that is when you go to switch directions in a fly cast, it is a nice smooth transition when you do that hard stop. There's no wobble in the rod. So it has a very clean transfer of energy from fly rod to fly line. This truly is easier to cast. I have had several people email me to say, you know what, since I've gotten your fly rod, casting has just become a lot easier for me. Thank you so much. So that is kind of why I designed it with that particular blank in mind. Right here, my business partner and I, Leonard, he found a veteran-owned company out of Port Angeles that makes corks for both regular fishing rods and fly rods. These corks are pretty cool. They're made out of an agglomerated cork, so they're a premium cork that's been all squished together and formed into a very soft but durable handle. It's one of the most comfortable fly rod handles that I have found to date. And even if you look at some of those premium brands, those cork handles are very standard, whether you're looking at that $1,000 fly rod or all the way down into maybe a $300 price point. There's nothing special with their cork handles. With this, you're supporting a veteran-owned, family-owned company out of Port Angeles where we source all of our corks. And I've also designed these to be a little bit thicker as well. I like more of a robust handle, but on my custom division, I can pretty much design any handle that you want, whether it's a thinner diameter or a thicker diameter. That's the cool thing about working with these family-owned companies is they'll design for me whatever I want, whatever you want. But I've gone with a robust, soft, very durable handle. It's kind of their wave finish, which I like this. It's just kind of my personal preference. I think it looks great. It complements the rod really well, but it's all Prescari cork out of Port Angeles. All of these guides, right? Guides are not created equal on fly rods. I partnered up with Mike at Snake Brand. They're out of Battleground, Washington. He supplies guides for some of the most expensive and most premium rods on the market today. Why? Because this guy has designed the machines to forge both the stripping guides and the running guides. Guys, again, they're not created equal. You want to make sure that you have a fly rod that has the premium guides so they last a long time. They're durable. In case you get any ice buildup, you can break them out and not worry about bending your guides. If it falls on the ground or any type of compression happens, it's not going to bend or squish the guide because we have a very durable guide. They're all E-coated, which essentially means they're not going to corrode and rust. So these are they're good for both freshwater and saltwater application. So these guides really are a solid, durable guide. And then finally, it's all handcrafted by Leonard out of Battleground, Washington. He just does just an amazing job. The detail on this fly rod really I'm super proud of it. And I know you will be too. So if you're looking for that $1,000 fly rod and a much more reasonable price point, check out fishonrods.com. I know, I can't believe that I actually got that web domain, fishonrods.com. Who would have thought? I thought for sure that would have been taken. But anyway, check out fishonrods.com and look at the FFD. It's the FFD2 series, so it's our second generation of fly rods. but I think you might find that these might be right for you. And feel free to shoot me an email. My contact information is on my website if you have any questions or if you want to do something custom. So anything you want, we can do on the custom side. If you're just looking for something that's performance-based, it's going to last you a very long time, the FFD series is the rod for you. All right, well, thanks so much for taking a moment, and thank you for supporting me and my company as well. I do appreciate it. And again, you're supporting a lot of other family-owned companies by supporting the FFD Rod Company. All right, till the next time, everybody, fish on.